Okay, so Steve has a confession to make. He forgot his post lifter, and all we've got is tie-down strap. We're in the middle of a paddock.
You told me you were bringing the post lifter.
You were bringing the post lifter.
No, you were bringing the post lifter.
This video is going to contain a very simple hack that's going to make even a ratchet strap be able to pull out a steel post that's been in the ground for a while. We're going to share with you 2 reasons why this is so possible and so easy. Now, thankfully, we don't have to pull them all out. We're just putting in a gateway, but these posts have been in the ground here in Eildon for a couple of years. And there's one good thing that we've got going for us, and that's that we use stock posts. Now, stock posts are actually coated with a bituminous coating by dipping rather than being sprayed on like the competition. So that means that the rust-proof coating on these is a lot more solid and lasts longer, meaning that we've got more chance of these coming out of the ground easily because we used the right post to begin with. But even still, pulling these things out of the ground after a couple of years, rain and sun and rain and sun, it's tough. I'm going to show you a trick that makes even a dodgy way of pulling them out like we're using today super, super easy. This is not recommended, by the way. Should be tight enough, hey?
Yep.
Now, you're right in pointing out that this is super, super dodgy and it's not recommended. We should always bring our post pullers with us when we're doing this sort of work. Hey, you make mistakes, right? So what Steve's done is he's connected the ratchet strap to the bottom of the post, and we're going to use the ratchet part of the ratchet strap to pull this post up against an aluminium tray. So we're not going to be able to put much upward force on this thing at all. So we need something else to get this post moving. And the secret that we're going to use is a bit of physics. See, if we add percussive force to the bottom of this post, that little bit of vibration gets her moving. Even though the dirt was stuck to it like concrete, out she comes. Next time you've got a stuck steel post and you can't get it moving with your post lifter, try tapping on the bottom with a hammer. It makes a huge difference. If you like these kind of tips, don't forget, hit the little subscribe button down there, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more every week, and we'll see you on the fence line. And yeah, buy good posts. 2 years, no rust. Well done, Stockpost.